Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest armoire. Yes, the bag is already empty because I've got all the pieces right here. If you're new, I'm Laura. I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I normally have some furry sidekicks. They're in a timeout right now. They went outside, got covered in mud. All of our snow is melting, so they're drying out right now. Okay, so Armoire, if you're not familiar, you need to. It is a fabulous clothing rental service. Premium styles, everything from athleisure and workout wear, the whole way to black tie. They have maternity wear, everything you could possibly imagine with hundreds of different labels that you will absolutely love. I love this subscription. They have 3 different cases that you can choose from if you'd like to subscribe, and we'll get into all of that in just a minute. Now, the reason why my bag is already open is because I had started this video once already and realized something was wrong. So I am missing a couple of my pieces. So I'll go over what I do have to share with you, talk about what was missing and the cases here in just a minute. All right, so these styles I all picked. You can pick them yourself. You can have a stylist to pick for you, or you can do a split. Have you pick some and have your stylist fill in. As I said, so many different brands that you are guaranteed to get pieces that you love. You can also put yourself in line. So if there's something you really want to give a try and your size isn't available, you can kind of get in line for that next box to make sure that you get it. All right, and they did start a new thing. I think it's called the quarterly rental. Let me just double check it right now. Yeah, it's called a quarterly rental, and you can rent favorites for 3 months at a time for just $10 a month. So if you don't want to buy it, but you'd like to have it for this season, that'd be a nice way to do it in an affordable manner. Okay, let's go through what I have here. So first up is a jacket from Love Token. I thought this was super cute. The color pattern is pretty, not too bulky, but fun for the cooler temperatures still. Isn't that pretty? It kind of reminds me of the Free People jackets, but that is adorable. And then the rest are all bottoms. So I have the Mavi Wide Leg. Okay. I think these have a little bit of stretch, but not a ton. Then I have the Paige Wide Leg. Check these out in fun tan. Little cuff. Love those. Then I have the AGOLDE. These are the Argent and AGOLDE straight. So it has an Argent, so it must be a partnership there. These have major stretch to them, and Armoire offers many times if they have available, you could elect to get that next size. So if you're not sure between 2 sizes, you could get them both. So this one is my regular size, 26. You can see it is brand new, tag still on it, never worn. And when they said, hey, we have the 27 available, would you like to give it a try? I grabbed it and they sent me the 27 too. So I'm guaranteed to get a size that fits me. And that's all the pieces. Now I had 2 other jackets I had asked for. I just chatted with them because I said I'm missing pieces from my bag. My bag came all packing taped all up, so I didn't notice anything. But it looks like during transit, the bag broke open, items fell out. They packaged it back up, missing those items. And I got it. So unfortunately, and there were 2 gorgeous jackets. One was a black leather and one was a Nick and Zoe adorable jacket. So they have credited those off of my account now, and I'll have those added to the next box. So we're going to go with what I have here so I can share it with you, but I'm kind of really disappointed. So hopefully I can get those in the next box and they still have my size. All right, before we get to the try on, let me first talk about their plans. Okay, so they have 3 different plans that you can choose from. One is the unlimited plan, which is what I'm sharing with you. So I get 6 items. I can wear them as frequently or infrequently as I'd like, and then I can exchange them. So if I wear 3 right away and I want 3 more, I can send 3 back and get 3. Or if I wear all of them and I want more, I can kind of swap them out throughout the month. That one is $249 a month. If you use my link, you'll get 50% off your first month plus 2 bonus items, okay? If that's too much, you don't need that. They have a 7-item capsule. That means you get 7 items to wear for the entire month. So you wear them as if they're your own. You don't need to wash these pieces. They'll take care of all of that. It goes through a special cleansing process. That one is $129 a month. And if you use my link, 35% off plus the 2 bonus items. Last, if you just need a few really amazing pieces to make your wardrobe just shine, they have a 4-item plan, and that is $89 a month. Use my link, 25% off plus 2 bonus items. So whatever that feel is for you that you need to, maybe you only need it for the weekends, or maybe you have some special events coming up, it would be perfect. Let's get to this try on. First outfit, Mavi jeans and the cute little jacket. These are a nice wide leg. They're hitting me right at the top of my foot without a heel, just touching the ground, so I don't need a major heel, just a little will do. Hitting right, here's my belly button, so pretty much right at my belly button. Nice fit. They do not have a ton of stretch, but the 26, which is my normal size, is fitting nicely. Just put a black tank top on with this fun little jacket, which is lined. I like the colors in this, the tan, the blue. Looks nice with the jeans. Cropped fit. Color is adorable. Has a little bit of that leather trim. Can you see that? Check that out. That's adorable too. That's what it looks like. Zipped. I like this. Easy outfit. So if you can't part with these items, you could keep them. The Mavi Wide Leg retails for $138. If you wanted to buy them, $124. I think the discount depends on like how long they've had them. For this jacket by Love Token, I'm wearing an extra small. $165.98 is the retail if I wanted to buy it. $149. We'll keep going. Next up is the Paige Denim with the cuff. How fun are these? These have some really great stretch hitting at the ankle, so they're cropped with the cuff. I think they are, yeah, they are sewn there, so that's where they're going to be. Loving the tan. Just a nice alternative to blue or black, a nice neutral, and they go well with the jacket as well, since it has the blue and the tan and the black, all the things. So pants to go with all the colors. Check that out. So I'm enjoying this too. I always love Paige. Paige is such an amazing denim brand and always a great fit. So for those, they're called just the Paige Wide Leg, retail for $249. If I wanted to keep them, $224. Otherwise, you just love them while you have them, and you could always request them again, or even put them into that quarterly bucket. Last item is the AGOLDE and Argent Straight. These I love. They feel so nice on. Now I did size up, so I got the 26 on and they were fine, but I decided to go with the 27 because they're a little more relaxed and I feel a little bit better. Nice length, so hitting me right at the top of my foot. Could wear them with a flat or a tenny if I wanted to, or as a flat sandal. It's a nice dark black. High waist, hitting right at the belly button. Adorable. I really like them. Nice straight leg. Yeah, really great stretch. Put this jacket on. And I love the all black. What do you guys think? I'm really enjoying that. I'm loving these jeans. Okay, so the Argent and AGOLDE Straight, as I said, I'm wearing a size 27. They retail for $248. My price would be $174. Might have to move those into the quarterly bucket. I enjoy these. So nice. And that's a wrap on all the pieces this time around. What do you think? I'll put all the information for this subscription down below. I think it is amazing if you have any big event coming up or just want to spruce up and add some key pieces that are bold and just something that you wouldn't wear every single day, right? So you can alternate on some of those really pretty popping type of pieces. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. I'll put my link down below so you can give this service a try if you'd like. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. Share what your favorites were, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.